Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in AI. AI means artificial intelligence. As you all know guys, since last 3 to 4 years guys, everyone is talking about AI guys, Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Bing Chat, Microsoft Bing AI. Because guys, this technology, this AI have changed the world around us drastically. Okay, so guys, this AI is also working in our development in our programming also. As you all know guys, everyone is worried about AI is going to replace the job. AI is going to replace me. AI is going to eat my job. AI is going to fire me from the office. AI is going to take my place in the office. So guys, it's nothing like that. Okay, so AI is here, here to create more and more job in coming year. Okay, so guys, in near future you will see AI has created more jobs than it has already taken. Okay, so guys, don't worry, don't what can I say, stress yourself that AI is going to replace you from your office. AI is here to eat your jobs. AI is here to replace you. AI is here to snatch your chairs from your office. It's nothing like that guys. Okay, so don't worry about anything. AI is here to give you, more and more opportunity in future. So trust me guys, AI is going to give you more and more opportunity, more and more jobs in near future. So I would like to recommend you guys, I would like to suggest you guys, just learn how to use this technology like Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Bing Chat, so that guys, you will be able to understand, you will be able to learn, you will be able to know what to ask, how to ask questions to these technologies like Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Bing, Microsoft Bing AI, so that guys, you will be able to understand, you will be able to what can I say, um, learn new technology, new statements, new questions, and you can ask different questions, different what can I say, uh, programming problems, codings from these technologies known as Chat GPT, Google Bard, Microsoft Bing AI. So guys, in this video we are going to learn, we are going to see some one of the basics to advanced example, how to use Bing, Microsoft Bing. So as you can see guys, you can see here, see example, feature, FAQ. Now you can search, chat and create all in one place, turn your word into images with the new Bing AI powered image creator in the chat, learn more. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, now you can search, chat and create all in one place, turn your words into images. It is saying guys, turn your words into images. Okay, so guys, whatever you will tell to this Microsoft Bing, it is going to convert your voice, it is going to convert your words into the images. Okay, with the new Bing's AI powered image creator in chat. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to ask questions, what to ask from these technologies, so that we will get what can I say, what can I say guys, so that we will get response as it is, as the response we want, the response we want to get it back from this kind of AI. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you guys what to ask and how to ask, and what to not ask to this technology, so that you will feel not you will feel confidence, and you will feel not you don't feel any kind of embarrassment asking these questions to this kind of technology. So guys, trust me guys, this kind of technology is not used to ask your day-to-day questions like what I eat, how to eat, how to make your girlfriend happy, where to take your girlfriend for dinner, for dates, what to buy your girlfriend so that she will feel happy, she will feel cool. No, so guys, stop doing these things to this technology. This technology is here to help us in our coding, in our career in our development. So don't ask these silly questions to these kind of technology like Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Bing. Guys, I have got some kind of like a survey, some kind of reviews while I was reading Google Bing. What is Google Bing? I mean Microsoft. Sorry guys, Microsoft Bing, Google Chat GPT, Google Bard, Chat GPT. So I found, guys, everyone is asking these silly questions like day-to-day questions. How to impress a girl, how to impress your wife, how to make your girlfriend feel happy. So no, this question is silly questions. So you will feel yourself you are making yourself down. So don't ask these kinds of questions to these kinds of technology, guys. This kind of technology is here to help us in our development, in our career development, in our programming, in our mentality development. So guys, today I thought I should make a video on this. So what to ask and what to not ask, as I already told you what to not ask. So now I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna teach you what to ask and how to ask to these Microsoft Bing chat. So now guys, now let's get started and let's learn how to use Microsoft Bing chat in our day-to-day life. As you can see, guys, it is also saying ask anything. So guys, it is free to give you answer to your any questions, whether it is like day-to-day life questions or whether it is complex questions. It will give you a response to any kind of your questions, to any kind of your queries. Okay, so as you can see here, ask your questions, short, long, or anything in between. Okay, so more precise you ask, the better the answer. As I already told you, guys, the more precise you ask, the better is the answer. So create, as you can see, create a course menu. I need to throw a dinner party for 6 people who are vegetarian. Can you suggest a 3-course menu with a chocolate dessert? Okay, so it is saying it is giving you like an example, guys. How to ask and what to ask. It is saying I need to throw a dinner party for 6 people who are vegetarian. Can you suggest a 3-course menu with a chocolate dessert? Okay, so I'm planning a trip for our anniversary in September. Okay, so a guy is asking, guys, I am planning a trip for our anniversary in September. What are some places we can go that are within a 3-hour flight from London to Heathrow? So guys, these guys are planning for a trip for their anniversary in the September, and they wanted to ask what is the visiting place, what is the place we can go from London to Heathrow within 3 hours from flight. Okay, so guys, these kind of questions are very relevant, and we can ask these kind of questions to these kind of technologies, and it will give you answer, guys, in very much good manner, so that you can analyze these kind of questions and you can plan your trip. As you all know, guys, this is all AI, and we are the creator of AI. Okay, so the response, the what can I say, answer it will give to you, guys, you will definitely analyze it, and you will definitely make your plans according to your analytical thinking, according to your thoughts. Okay, so these kind of questions are good to ask to this technology like Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Bing. Okay, so now move next, arts and crafts idea with instructions for a toddler using only cardboard, boxes, plastic bottle, paper, and string. Okay, if you want, guys, any kind of idea, any kind of arts and craft ideas, you can ask these questions also, and it will give you proper and unique response, and based on the response, guys, you can thought you can create your arts craft using cardboard boxes and plastic bottle, papers, and strings also. Okay, so move next. Can you help plan me a workout for my arms and abs with no sit-ups and no gym equipment? It should only take 30 minutes. So guys, there is a guy and who is asking, plan me a workout for my arms and abs. Okay, so he's asking for plans for his arms and abs with no sit-ups. He don't want to do sit-ups. Okay, and no, he don't want to go gym and no gym equipments. Okay, it should only take 30 minutes. So he's asking, guys, this question is very tricky, and it will give you guys a proper answer, proper response. Okay, So the guys is asking this kind of questions. Write me a poem with rhythms for my 8-year-old Jake. He loves dogs and fact about the ocean. Okay, help me. I just went fishing in Bighorn in Manhattan, and I would like to go fishing in the Florida Keys in the spring. What do I need to do differently to prepare? Okay, so can you write a story for children about a dog who lives on the moon? Write a code to find the Fibonacci sequence in Python. Okay. What cars should I consider buying that are AWD go 0-60 in less than 60 seconds, in less than 6 seconds, sit 6 or more and have decent views? Okay, so write a quiz about pop music trivia that can help play with my friends, that has 5 questions. Okay, so how do I pick up the best dog breed for me? It is better to adopt or buy. So guys is asking what is the best breed dog for me him. It is better to adopt or buy. Okay, I like electronic music and want to go to my first festival this year. Do you have any recommendations or tips for me? Okay, so in this video, guys, we are gonna learn some kind of, like we will ask some kind of questions to this Microsoft Wing Chat AI. So guys, now let's get started and let's start. Okay, but before starting of the video, guys, I would like to request you all, guys, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload a video like this on my channel, you will be notified and you can watch them instantly. So now guys, let's get started and let's learn. So now let me click on the chat now. So first of all, guys, I'm gonna ask one question, one basic, or what can I say, advanced questions to this technology. Is there any power known as God? Okay, so I have asked, guys, is there any power known as God? Okay, so he says I am searching good definition. So there is different ways to define God. Okay, depending upon one's belief and perspective. Some people believe that God is the supreme or ultimate reality who is perfect in power, wisdom and goodness, and who create and rules the universe. Other believes that there are many gods who control some part of the universe or life. A god can also be someone who is admired a lot or too much. Okay, so what do you think? Do you believe in God or God or gods? So it is asking me, what do you think? Do you believe in God or gods? It is again, guys, asking me like, do I believe in gods or not? What is, see here, he has given some kind of suggestions also. What are some arguments for the existence of God? What is the difference between religion and spirituality? Okay, so guys, these kind of questions we can ask from this kind of technology. So now let me just can you tell me what is the composition of water? Okay, so I have asked, guys, tell me what is the composition of water. So it is searching for the composition of water. Okay, so the water is a chemical substance. As you can see, guys, it is telling it is saying, guys, the water is a chemical substance with the chemical formula H2O. As we all know, guys, the water formula is H2O. That means the one molecule of water and 2 hydrogen atom, okay, and 1 oxygen atom. Water can exist in 3 common state of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Okay, it is saying, guys, water can exist in 3 common state of matter, okay, solid, liquid and gas. So do you know, do you want to know more about the properties of water? Okay, so it is asking, and now it is also given some kind of suggestions. What are some uses of water? How does the structure of water affect its properties? Can you explain what is meant by hard and soft water? Okay, so now I'm gonna ask, can you tell me uh, when this earth gonna what can I say, this earth gonna be uh, disappear. Okay, okay guys, so I am asking here guys some random questions, so that we will, we will get to know what it is replying us, what it is giving response. So that's why I'm asking some kind of random questions. Later on we will ask some kind of useful questions, so that we will get to know the power of Bing Chat, the power of Microsoft Bing AI. Okay, so I have asked, can you tell me when this earth gonna be disappear? So when will this it is searching when will the earth disappear. So it has also given me some kind of response guys here also. So there are different scenarios that could cause the earth to disappear, depending on what you mean by that. Okay, if you mean when will the earth become uninhabitable for life, means it is not suitable for the life. Okay, some estimates suggest that it could happen in about 1 billion years due to the increasing brightness of the sun. Okay, so guys, it is saying some beliefs that it could happen in about 1 billion years due to the increasing brightness of the sun. As you all know guys, we are facing lots of heat, lots of what can I say, global warmings. That's why it is saying, so our our temperature is going high and high and high, years after years. Okay, so this could be the one answer, and this could be the one cause. And if you mean when will the earth be destroyed by the sun, it could happen in about 5 billion years. Okay, so as you all know guys, sun is the only cause which will engulf our earth. So when the sun become a red giant and engulf the planet. Okay, if you mean when will the earth vanish from existence, it could happen if the sun suddenly disappeared. Okay, so guys, as you all know, there is life if there is sun. Okay, if the sun vanishes, the life on the earth after 1.5 year will be disappeared also, which could cause the earth to fly off into space and possibly collide with another objects. Okay, as you all know, after the collision of asteroids, the earth is going to collapse, the earth is going to disappear. Okay, it is saying that only. So do you have any questions about the future of earth? Okay, so it is suggesting me guys, do you have any other questions about the future of the earth? And here it has given some kind of suggestions also. What is the greenhouse effect, how do scientists study earth history, how humans survive on the other planet. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask, uh, which is the hottest planet in the what can I say, in the solar system. Okay, so I have asked guys what which is the hottest planet in the solar system. So let me press the enter. Searching for the hottest planet in the solar system. See, we got the response guys. Okay, the hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. So guys, it is saying the hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Okay, it has a surface temperature of about 867 Fahrenheit. As you can see guys, the temperature here, the hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Okay, and it has the surface temperature of about 867 Fahrenheit. Okay, and about 464 Celsius. Okay, which is hottest, which is hot enough to melt lead. Okay guys, so as you all know guys, we can't melt lead, but Venus has surface temperature about this much, so that it can melt lead also. Okay, which is because of its thickness atmosphere, thick atmosphere that is mostly made up of carbon dioxide. Okay, which causes a runaway greenhouse effect that traps heat. Okay, so guys, as you all know, greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases, greenhouse, what can I say, molecules trap heat and it not let it escape from the earth, from the what can I say, surface. Then that's why guys we are able to, what can I say, uh, feel so much of heat in the summer. Okay, so it is saying guys, because of this runaway greenhouse effect, it traps heat, and that's why its surface temperature is about 86 Fahrenheit and 464 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to melt lead. So guys, uh, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Okay, so now let me ask, which is the coolest planet in our solar system? Okay, so I am asking here again, which is the coolest planet in our solar system. So let me press the enter. Let me just see what it responds, what is the response, what it reply. See, because the response guys, the coolest planet in the solar system depends on how you measure it. Okay, if you look at the average temperature of the whole planet, the Neptune is the coolest. As you can see guys, it is saying the Neptune is the coolest with about minus 214 degrees Celsius guys. As you can see guys, the temperature at the Neptune is minus 214 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if you look at the lowest temperature ever recorded on the planet, the Uranus is the coolest. Okay, so guys, the Uranus is the coolest with about minus 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is because Uranus has a very weak internal heat source compared to the other planet. Okay, so as you can see guys, if you look at the lowest temperature ever recorded, as you can see guys, lowest temperature ever recorded on the planet. Okay, then Uranus is the coolest with about minus 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This is because Uranus has a very weak internal heat source compared to the others planet. Okay, so now as of now guys, as you all know, I stay in Bangalore. So now I'm gonna ask, please can you suggest me the trekking site in around 10 kilometers. Okay, so guys, I'm asking, can you suggest me the trekking site in around 10 kilometer in Bangalore? Okay, in Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, so I have just asked guys, can you suggest the trekking site in around 10 kilometer in Bangalore? So it is searching trekking sites near Bangalore within 10 kilometer. Okay, so see guys, it is giving me so much of suggestions. See, and now based on these suggestions guys, I can make my mind. I can go somewhere see, Nandi Hills is here guys, and I just I visited Nandi Hills. So guys, it has given me 3 suggestions. Okay, Bangalore Fort, Trill Fohilia, Antarctica Adventure, and Nandi Hills. Okay, so guys, based on these suggestions guys, I can make my mind and I can go. And it is saying guys, the distance is, see, it is saying also the adventure start at 9:30 and ends at 6:30. Okay, the fort is open about from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. Okay, and here it is also suggesting me time. The hills is open from 6 p.m. a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. Okay, so guys, based on the suggestions guys, I can see, and it is also giving me maps also. See, Bangalore Fort. See, it is also giving me maps also guys. Okay, so see guys, see, this is the like advantage of using AI. This is the power of AI guys. It can suggest you guys each and everything. Just ask the like what can I say, precise questions, good question, relevant question, then only you will get the relevant answer. Okay, as you can see here. So now I'm gonna see, I need to give for my friend who likes to hike in cold weather. Okay, so create a table that compare to selling women's running shoes. Write a poem with vivid imagery that doesn't rhyme. Write an original table about a fish and a frog finding love. Should I buy a road biker, or a mountain bike if I want to exercise? See guys, I already like ask you some kind of questions. So now I'm gonna ask some kind of questions again. So I'm gonna ask some kind of questions here. So can you create my avatar? Okay, so I'm asking, can you create my avatar? Okay, so see guys, see the suggestions. Okay, trekking sites near Bangalore within 10 km. Bangalore Fort, these Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills is guys very famous here. So whenever you're about to visit Bangalore, just visit guys Nandi Hill. It's like awesome. Okay, so of course like do visit guys Nandi Hill. Okay, whenever you will come to Bangalore. Okay, so guys, I have asked him, can you create my avatar? So I can create I can try to create your avatar. What kind of avatar do you want? You can describe the future style and mood of your avatar. Okay, so I have clicked this, and see, it will take you to the image. You can download the image here also. So now I'm gonna upload my image here. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload my image here from the file. So let me just upload my image here. Let me just upload my image here. Yeah, this is my image, and I'm gonna upload it here, and I'm gonna ask him, please create my avatar out of this image. Okay, so press the enter now. Analyzing the image, privacy blur hides faces from Bing chat. Okay, see guys, okay, I will create an avatar based on the image you sent me. Here is what I came up with. Okay, so now it is analyzing my image, and it will create avatar out of my image. Okay, see guys, it has given me this kind of suggestions, uh, and it is saying, I like it, can you add a hat to my avatar, can you change the color of my shirt, how can I download this avatar? Okay, so I can say guys, yeah, I just ask, can you change the color of my shirt? So it is gonna change the color of my shirt also. Okay, so it is gonna change the color of my shirt also. See, sure, I can change the color of your shirt. What color do you want it to be? So it will suggest me some kind of color code, I guess. Can you see, can you make my pant black? I want to change the background of my avatar, can you help me with that? How do I share this avatar on social media? So it is analyzing the response now, and it will change the color. As you can see guys, previously the shirt color was this. Okay, previously the color is this of this shirt, and now after I ask him to change the color of my shirt, it has changed the color of my shirt now. Okay, it has changed the color of my shirt now. Okay, so now I am asking him, can you put eyes on my avatar? See guys, I am asking him, can you put eyes on my avatar? Okay, so let's just see. Yes, I can put eyes on your avatar. What color and shape do you want them to be? Okay, so now guys, it is asking me, see, yes, I can put eyes on your avatar. What color and shape do you want it to be? So he has given me some kind of suggestions. Can you make avatar smile? uh, I want to add a beard to my avatar. Can you do that? How long does it take for you to create an avatar? Okay, so it is saying yes, I can put avatar. What color and shape do you want it to be? So I want the eye color should be black, and shape should be round only. Okay, so now I have already asked him guys. Yeah, okay, I have added black and round eyes to your avatar. Here is the updated image. As you can see guys, see the capabilities, see the power of AI, Google being AI. Okay, I ask him, yes, can you put eyes on my avatar? Yes, I can put eyes on your avatar. What colors and shape do you want them to be? Eye color should be black and shape should be round. Okay, so see guys, okay, I have added black and round eyes to your avatar. Here is the updated image. Okay, here is the updated image guys. As you can see, previously it was this. I asked him to change the sort of my color. It changed the color of my shirt. I asked him to put eyes and shape of the eyes. Okay, so he put shape of the eyes also black and round. Okay, so now I'm gonna change the what can I say, face of my avatar. Okay, can you please change the color of avatar? Sure, I can change the color of your avatar. What color do you want it to be? You can choose from a variety of colors such as red, blue, yellow, pink, and purple. Okay, so change the face color to white. Okay, change the face color to white. See guys, I have asked him to change the face color to white. Okay, I have changed the face color of your avatar to white. Here is the updated images. Okay, so I asked him, can you change the color of change the face color to white? Okay, okay, I have changed the face color of your avatar to white. Here is the updated images. Okay, here is the updated images. Okay, so here is the, glad you like the answer. See, it changed the avatar images guys. Okay, so now see, this is the avatar images guys updated. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload some other pics. So I'm gonna upload some other pic here also. So now I'm gonna upload, yeah, Okay, so I have uploaded this image. Create avatar of my dog. Okay, see guys, as you can see, I have got 4 avatar of my dog. Okay, so I can create an avatar of your dog based on the image you sent me. Here is what I came up with. Okay, see, this is the avatar guys. Okay, so see, it's like I provided these images, and out of my image guys, out of this image they provide me the avatar of my dog. Okay, so now I'm gonna let me just open this WhatsApp, and I'm gonna download some images from here. So yeah, this is my hand guys. Okay, so let me just download this. Okay, let me just download this in the here only, and let me just go here and upload this hand image, and I will ask him to analyze my hand. Okay, can you read my palm, analyzing your image, privacy blur hides faces from being chat. Okay, so I have sent my hand palm image guys, and I asked him to analyze my or read my palm. See guys, see, I sent this hand image which is of my hand. Okay, and it is saying me palm reading is a technique of studying the lines on the palm to interpret someone's okay, so interpret someone's personality and predict their future. Okay, future of fortunes. There are different schools of palmistry, but the most common ones are the Chinese, Indian, and Western ones. Okay, the main lines of the palm are the lifeline, the headline, and the heartline. Okay, so now based on the image you sent me, I can see that your lifeline is long, okay, and curved, which means you, so based on the image you sent me, I can see that your lifeline is long and curved, which means you have a strong vitality and passion for life. Okay, your hand line is also long and straight, which indicates that you are intelligent, rational, and clear minded. Okay, your line is also long and straight, which indicates that you are intelligent, rational, and clear minded. Your heart line is short and straight, which suggests that you are not very emotional or romantic, but rather practical and realistic. Okay, and which suggests that you are not very emotional or romantic, but rather practical and realistic. You also have a ring on your ring finger, which could mean that you are married or engaged. Okay, so like this is a different ring guys. As of now I am not married, not engaged at all. I am single as of now. So of course palm reading is not an exact science, and it could vary depending on the person and the situation. It is best to take it as a fun and interesting way to learn more about yourself and others, but not as definitive guide to your destiny. If you want to learn more about palm reading, you can check other link. Okay, so guys, now it has suggest me a YouTube channel also. Okay, so guys, as you can see, based on the images I sent it here. So now let me just send another image. Okay, so now let me just send another image. Okay, so uh, let me just send another image. Okay, I will give this image, so just copy, save this image as, okay, save it here only. So cut this out, and now I'm gonna upload this image. Okay, so please read, my palm. Okay, so previously guys, I sent this image to this is my hand image also. Previously it says your I mean you had a line, a headline is also long and straight, so which indicate that you are intelligent, rational and clear minded. Okay, so now I have sent a different image and I told him to analyze my hand. Okay, so now now it is analyzing my hand. Okay, and now let's see what it reply. So now see guys what it replies. See guys, now what is the state? I can try to read your palm lines, but please keep in mind that this is not a professional or accurate service. Okay, I am just using some basic information from the internet to give you a general idea of what your palm lines might means. Okay, based on the image you sent me, I can see that your lifeline is short and faint. Okay, which means you may have a weak constitution and face some health challenges. Okay, your headline is also short and faint, which indicate that you may lack concentration and focus. Your heartline is long and deep, which suggests that you are very emotional and passionate, but also prone to jealousy and possessiveness. Okay, and you also have two rings on your on your fingers, which could mean that you have a strong commitment to your partner or spouse. Okay, again this is just a fun information guys. Okay, so previously guys it was saying like I mean you are not emotional, you are intelligent, you are clear minded, and now it is saying like you are emotional and you know, lack concentration also, lack focus also, and previously it was saying that your lifeline is too long because you have deep lifeline, and now it is saying your lifeline is too small, so I can face, you know, health issues also, health challenges also. So guys, you know, like based on the images, based on the, you know, like picture you will send, based on that only guys it will like analyze you and it will give you the response in returns. Okay, so now guys I'm gonna ask different things, different questions to the Bing also. Okay, please uh, please can you uh, write a program, okay, program to fetch external API from the server. Okay, so guys I'm asking him can you write a program to fetch external API from the external server. Okay, so now let me just click enter. See, see guys, it is using JavaScript fetch method. Okay, and it will write some program also. See, see guys, okay, so it gives us guys, you know, what can I say guys, models and dummy, and based on the our requirement guys, we can, you know, make it according to our work, according to ourselves, according to our requirements. So guys I ask him, can you please write a program to fetch external API from the server. Okay, so based on the response, see JavaScript fetch method, okay, and here define URL path, okay. So async function get API, and it has written also try and catch block also, okay. So it is using try and catch block, okay. So try const response await fetch URL, this URL, if response dot okay, then only we will get our data, await response dot json, and then we will console it, okay. And else throw new error, http error status response dot status, or catch error and console dot log error. And now it is calling the function here, get API, which he has defined it here, okay, get API. So guys, these kind of questions we can ask from this kind of technology like Google Bard, Chat GPT, and Microsoft Wing, okay. So now I'm gonna ask him, can you please write a addition of two numbers in JavaScript, okay. In JavaScript, can you please write addition of two numbers in JavaScript, okay. So previously guys, I asked him how to fetch external API from the server, and it has given me exact answer to the point, precise answer, and rest all we have to like define ourselves. Now guys, here you can see, let me clear you guys one more thing guys, okay. So as you can see guys, I just asked him to give the external API response, okay. So it has not given me what I wanted to do, what I wanted to write, what I wanted to fetch. It has just given me some kind of dummy, some kind of model, and based on this model guys, based on this dummy, we have to define our functionality, define our methods, okay. So trust me guys, AI is not going to replace you, AI is not going to eat your job. It is just going to help you in your day-to-day life, in your coding life, in your office life, in your professional life. Rest all you have to do on yourself guys, okay. See, it has not written any program, any application here. It has just sent me some dummy, some model out of the response, and based on I have to do what I wanted to create it here, what I wanted to define it here. So AI is not going to eat your job, AI is not going to snatch your job, AI is not going to replace you, AI is not going to what can I say, fire you. AI is here to help you in your day-to-day life, in your coding life, in your professional life as well, okay. So now let's see, and next I have asked him, can you please write please can you write a program, or can you please write addition of two numbers in JavaScript, okay. So sure, I can write a simple program to add two numbers in JavaScript. Here is one possible way to do it, okay. So define two numbers to add, so let num1 and let num2, please plus use the plus operator to add them and store the result in a variable, okay. So here it has added two numbers, and it has stored the result in the some variable, and it has displayed the console. Using console, it has displayed, and the result is 30, okay. So now I'm gonna ask him, can you write a business rule in service now to disable the what can I say, can you write a business rule in service now to disable the what can I say, user field, okay, user field. So I have asked him, guys, can you write a business rule in service now to disable the user field. So guys, as you all know, business rule, UI policy, UI action, server script, client script is used in service now to write our JavaScript, so that we can implement, we can put some kind of functionality in ServiceNow application also. So I have asked him, can you write a business rule in ServiceNow to disable the user field, okay. So Sure. It is saying I can try to write a business rule in ServiceNow to disable the user field, but I need some more information from you. What is the name of the table and the user field that you wanted to disable? Okay. So it is asking me, guys. See, guys, it is asking me. So it is like, see, as you can see, guys, if you belongs to ServiceNow developer, so this would be relevant to you only. So it is saying some more information from you. What is the name of the table and the user field that you wanted to disable? What are the conditions for disabling the user field? One common way to disable a field in ServiceNow to use UI policy. A UI policy is a client-side script that runs when a form is displayed or when a field value changed. Okay, so you can use a UI policy to set the visibility, read only, or mandatory properties of a field based on the conditions or user input. Okay, so now I am asking him only, so please write a UI policy to disable the user field in ServiceNow incident form. Okay, incident form. Please add a UI policy to disable the user field in ServiceNow incident form. Okay. See, guys, it is giving me some kind of suggestions. Okay, so it is saying navigate to system UI policies in the ServiceNow platform, click new to create a new UI policy. In the UI policy form, fill in the following fields: name, enter a name of the user of the UI policy, such as disable user field; description, enter a description for the UI policy, such as this field policy this UI policy disable the user field on the incident form. Table, select incident from the drop down list. See, guys, it is also suggesting me the table name. Okay, incident from the drop down list. Activate, check this box to activate the UI policy. Global, check this box to apply the UI policy to all the applications and scope. Okay, so guys, see, it is giving me some kind of suggestions, and out of the suggestions, guys, we have to we have to do rest of the things. So AI is not going to replace your job, AI is not going to eat your job. Okay, so just be happy and learn what is AI. It is gonna help you in your professional, in your day-to-day life, in your office life also. So now I'm gonna ask him some other questions also. Please, I'm gonna ask him what is the composition of human body. Okay, what is the composition of human body? I'm gonna ask him. See, guys, I asked him what is the composition of human body. The composition of a human body is the combination of element and molecules that make up the cells and non-cellular components of the body. The most abundant element in the human body are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and calcium and phosphorus. These elements form various organic compounds such as lipid, protein, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid. The human body also contains water, which contains for about 60% of the body mass. Okay, so guys, see, as you can see here, we can use AI in our day-to-day life in our office life, in our professional life also, to get some kind of help whenever we got stuck somewhere in the coding, whenever we got stuck somewhere, we have some kind of, like we wanted to visit some places nearby. Then also we can ask, we can take the help of this kind of technology, this kind of AI, so that it will give you some kind of response, and it will make your life easier and smooth also. Okay, so I hope guys, I have made you clear how to use this kind of technology in your day-to-day life, in your daily life also. And if you like, see guys, I can just in this video guys, through this video I just tell you, I just like explain you how to search, what to search and what not to search. See, like you can search anything guys, whatever you wanted to search, but I'm just like showing you professional way, so that you can use this kind of technology in your system, in your office also, to ask something in the office, in the coding, in the like life. So this kind of technology is very like is here to help our like make our life, smooth and awesome. So don't be like afraid of like using guys chat gpt, google bard, or microsoft bing ai. It is here to help us only. It is not going to eat your job, it is not going to replace you, because we have created it guys. Okay, we have built it, we have created it. So how this technology is going to replace us, how this technology is going to eat our job? No, it is false. It is, a myth only. So I would like to suggest you guys, just learn this kind of technology, and it is gonna help you in your day-to-day life, in your professional, in your daily life also. Okay, so now you can ask some random question also. So uh, what to write so that my girlfriend will be happy after reading it? Okay, as of now guys, my girlfriend is very angry with me, so I'm asking like google bing what to write to make my girlfriend happy after reading it. Okay, so she's very angry with me as of now. So I ask him what to write to, so that my girlfriend will be happy after reading it. See, it is suggesting me some kind of, like suggestions. So there is no definitive answers to what you can write to make your girlfriend happy, as different people have different preferences and expectations. However, some general tips that might help you are: be sincere and honest. Don't write something that you don't want, don't mean, or and is that is not true. Express your genuine feelings and thought about her and your relationship. Trust me guys, I have always like try to keep her happy, always try to, you know like I always like tell her truth only. But I don't know, like she doesn't understand my feelings, she doesn't understand my, thoughts, my emotions about us. Still today guys, you know today at this moment of time, at this point of time, I'm trying to, convince, I'm trying to make her understand that, I'm not wrong, I'm not a wrong guy. So I don't know why she left me. um, but still guys, still today I'm trying to convince her, I'm praying to bring her back in my life. So yeah, just forget it guys, it's not, like relevant to you. So just focus here only. So yeah, here is some example of what you might write to make your girlfriend happy. Okay, so hi my love, I just wanted to write you a note to tell you how much I love you, and how happy you make me. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I can't imagine my life without you. You are beautiful, smart, and kind, funny, and amazing in every way. You always inspire me to be a better person and to pursue my dreams. You are my partner, my friend, my soulmate, and my everything. Thank you for being with me and for loving me unconditionally. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day, and I can't wait to see you again. I love you more than words can say. See guys, whatever I have written, read here, no, is totally true and totally, up to my, core, up to my thoughts, up to from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart. Okay, still I don't know why guys she left me. She's not, I know guys, I mean, she will be, somewhere else. So I'm trying to bring her back in my life, but I don't know when will she come. So yeah, let it be guys. So how to, you know like mm, what can I search guys? How to learn programming languages. Okay, languages. Okay, so see, it is suggesting me some kind of suggestions. Select a programming language that you wanted to learn, such as Python, Java, C++. Okay, so based on the questions, guys, you will ask to the this kind of technology, you will get the answer in response. Okay, so I hope guys, I have teach you what to search and what not to search. In this single video guys, I won't be able to teach you all the things what it can do, but trust me guys, whatever I have done here, it has more and more and more and more capability to make your life awesome, to make your life smooth, and to make your professional life as well as your coding life also, what can I say, cool and healthy and I mean handsome also. Okay, so I'm gonna write tell it here. Please write a please write a Python program to fetch external API. Okay, so I have asked him, please write a Python program to fetch external API. Okay, let's see what it will return in return. See, to fetch an external API using Python, you can use the request library. Okay, so which is a popular. Okay, yeah, see guys, to fetch an external API using Python, you can use the request library, which is popular and easy to use HTTP library for Python. Here is an example of how you can write a program, Python program to fetch an external API. Okay, so import the request library, import request URL. Okay, the URL you wanted to hit response dot get URL. Okay, check if the request was successful. If response dot status code equal to 200, okay, then only data response.json. Okay, print some information from the data, print name, data.name, print location, data.location, print bio, data.bio, else print an error message if the request fails. Okay, so guys, as you can see guys, this is only dummy, this is only model, and based on out of this model guys, we are going to define it. Okay, so again guys, I would say AI is not going to eat your job, AI is not going to replace you, rather AI is going to help you in your professional, in your coding, in your programming life. Okay, so learn guys this kind of technology like Google Bard, Chat GPT, Microsoft Wing AI. Okay, so now I'm gonna write please write a CSS code to center the content on the screen. Okay, so I have asked him guys, please write a code to center the content on the screen. Okay, so I wanted to content on the center of the screen. So let's see what it will return. See, guys, see, guys. Okay, so I asked him, guys, please write a css code to center the content on the screen. I want the content on the center of the screen, guys. Okay, so it like I got the response from the Microsoft Wing AI. To center the content on the screen using css, you can use the following properties: display flex to make the container element flex box, which is a layout system that allows you to align and distribute items in different way. Okay, align item center to align the item vertically in the center on the container. Align justify content center to align the item horizontally in the center of the container. Okay, so here is an example of how you can write a css code to center the content on the screen. Okay, so guys, using this like trust me guys, it will definitely center your code like your content in the center of the screen. Container, display flex, align item center, justify content center, content. Okay, width 100%, height 100 px, width 100 px, and background is coral. Okay, so guys, using this like classes, using this response from the AI, Wing AI, you can make your life, your coding much easier and much smooth. Okay, so this code will center a content element on a coral background color inside a container element. You can modify the selector, resize, and color according to your needs. Okay, you can also use the other properties such as margin, padding, position, etc., depending on your design. If you wanted to learn more about how to center the content on the screen using css, you can check out these links. Okay, so it has also given some kind of links. You can check this out to learn how to center the content on the center of the screen. Okay, so now I am gonna ask him to write, uh, please write a java program to swap three numbers. Okay, so I am asking him, guys, please write a java program to swap three numbers. So let's see what it will return in response. So I'm just waiting for the response, guys. I asked him, please write a Java program to swap three numbers. Okay, we can easily do swapping of two numbers, guys. Now let me just see how to swap three numbers in Java. Okay, so to swap three numbers using Java, you can use the following algorithm. Okay, you can use the following algorithm. It is saying it has defined three variables a, b, c. Okay, so see, here is an example how you can write a Java program to swap three numbers. Okay, system.out.println, it is asking a user to enter three numbers. Okay, so read the user input and store them in a variable. Okay, so see, guys, see, see, guys, we got our program. See guys, okay, so it is saying I ask him please write a Java program to swap three numbers. To swap three numbers using Java, you can use the following algorithm. Declare three variables to store the three numbers such as ABC. Declare a temporary variable to store the value of one of the numbers such as temp. Okay, so assign the value of A to temp, assign the value of B to A, assign the value of C to B, assign the value of temp to C. Okay, so here is an example of how you can write a Java program to swap three numbers. Okay, import java.util.scanner. Okay, public class swap three numbers. Okay, define static void main strings arg scanner sc new scanner system.in. Okay, so system.out.println enter three numbers. It is asking user to enter three numbers. Okay, read the user input and store them in a variable. Okay, so now I have store this in a b and c, sc next int, sc next int, sc next int. Okay, so it will store number 1 in a, number 2 in b, and number 3 in c. Okay, system dot print the original number of the variable. Okay, so system.out.println before swapping. So system.out.println a and value of a as it is an integer, system.out.println b and value of b as also it is an integer, system.out.println c and value of c because it is also an integer. So declare a temporary variable int temp swap the values of the variable using the temporary variable. So temp a, as of now I have stored the value of temp a in the temp, and then again store the value of b in a, store the value of c in b, store the value of c, store the value of temp in c. Okay, so print the swapped value of the variable system.out.println after swapping. Okay, so system.out.println a, system.out.println b value of v, system.out.print.ln system of value of c. Close the scanner object sc.close. Okay, so this program will prompt the user to enter three numbers and then swap them using a temporary variable. For example, if the user enter 10, 20 and 30, the program will output enter three numbers. Suppose they enter 3, 20 and 30. Before swapping, a was 10, b was 20 and c was 30, and after swapping a become 20, b become 30 and c become 10. Okay, so it has assigned a value to c, it has assigned v value to b value to a and c value to b and a value to c. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, it has make our life smooth and easier. We can of course when you will try to execute this program, of course you will face some kind of difficulty, some kind of error, some kind of issues. So that issues, that error you have to resolve. Okay, so again I will tell you guys, so AI is not going to eat our job, AI is not going to replace our job, rather it is going to make your life happy, make your life smooth, make your professional as well as personal life happy and smooth also. So now let me just search something else. So what can I say? I can say guys, write a jQuery program to program to fetch external API product. Okay, so products. Okay guys, so I am asking him write a jQuery program to fetch external API products. Okay, See guys, it has a response back. So I ask him, write a jQuery program to fetch external API products. Okay, so it is saying guys, to fetch external API products using jQuery, you can use Ajax method, which is a shorthand for the jQuery.ajax, okay, method, which allows you to make asynchronous or asynchronous HTTP request using jQuery. Here is an example of how you can write a jQuery program to fetch external API product. Okay, so where URL, the URL you wanna hit on the server, use the $.ajax method to send get request to the URL. Okay, so $.ajax URL method is called to get success, and on the success it is going to run a function, and it will get data from this external API in the form of data, and it is saying for where I data.length get the current object from the data array. Okay, so the data parameter contains the response as an array of the object. Okay, so it is saying the data parameter contains the response as an array of the object. Okay, loop through the data array and print some information from each object. Okay, so it is saying for where I is less than data.length I plus plus get the current object from the data array product equal to data I. Okay, so now what we will do console.log title product.title and console.log price product.price, and specify another callback function to handle error such as fourth argument. Okay, so error, on the error it is gonna run another function XHR status and error. So console.log request failed with the status, it is going to print this status variable or parameter from here. Console.log error, it is going to print this error parameter from here, and we will get our response. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, we can ask him anything, any questions, any query from this kind of technology, and it will return you with the result, with the response. So, and that response you can use in your day-to-day life, in your coding life also, to make your life smooth and happy and much easier. So I hope guys you have understood, you have learned how to use this kind of AI technologies like Google Bard, ChatGPT or Microsoft Bing AI in your day-to-day life, and you will make your life happy and smoother also. And I hope guys you have learned something from this video. If you feel you have learned something from this video guys, please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload a new video in the playlist. Okay, so thank you guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care guys, bye bye guys.